Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this plaid pattern. Let's open a new document, set the stroke to none and the fill to red. Switch to the rectangle tool and create a big square. Let's create a copy. Press the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard to copy it and Ctrl F to paste it in front. Now change its fill to white. While you are holding down the Alt key, bring both sides closer to the center to create a narrow rectangle. Let's create a copy and rotate it by 90 degrees. Next, open the sublayers of layer 1 and lock the red square layer to prevent it from moving. Let's create more shapes. Select the white shape and create a copy. Be sure to hold down the Shift key to constrain. Now click on the middle reference point and while you are holding down the Alt key, increase its width. Let's change the fill to black. Now we will mirror it to the other side. Let's zoom in. With the black shape still selected, press the letter O for the Reflect tool. Click in the center of this intersection to set the reflection point. And now click, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, press the Shift and Alt keys as well. Switch to the Selection tool and select both black shapes. Create a copy and rotate it by 90 degrees. Let's copy this shape and increase its width. I'm going to change the fill color. And like we did previously, let's mirror it to the other side. Switch to the Selection tool, select both shapes, create a copy and rotate it by 90 degrees. Let's add a few more shapes. Create a copy of this shape. Let's change its fill to green. Right-click on it, choose Arrange and bring to front. Let's create another copy and change its color. Select both shapes and mirror it to the other side. Now select the green shapes, create a copy and rotate it by 90 degrees. Let's move this shape up. Use the up arrow key on your keyboard and the Shift key to speed up the process. Now move the bottom shape by the same distance. Let's select both white shapes and lock them. Now select everything else, open the transparency window and bring the opacity to about 50%. Next, using this tile, we will create a pattern. First, let's unlock all layers. Now select everything, resize it, open the swatches window, select everything and drag it here. And we can see the new pattern swatch. Let's move this tile outside the artboard and deselect. Now double-click on the pattern we've created to open the Pattern Options window. Let's zoom in. To make any changes, switch to the Selection tool and click on a desired shape. Now we can change the color, adjust the position change the width, and more. To exit this window, press the Escape key on your keyboard. Now create any shape that you like to fill it with the selected pattern. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.